Today we're going to be looking at the Notification Center inside of Striven. To find the Notification Center, you can click the bell icon to the right of your name. Upon clicking the bell, you will see three options that appear in the drop-down. The one on the farthest left is the Messages Center. Here, by clicking the icon, you can see all the messages that you've sent or received in Striven. When a message is initiated in Striven, it'll be captured within the system, but will also capture any replies sent from either the recipient, being an external contact, or an internal user of the system as well. For instance, here I can see this message has a reply. If I click on the View Replies, I can see exactly who the reply is from and capture the content of the message. I also have icons to the far right of each individual message, so I can reply back, I can forward the message to somebody else, I can archive the message, and I can also view what message type is being used for this message in particular. Here I can also filter messages and search for certain criteria. For instance, if I click All, I can search for messages that pertain to bills, milestones, opportunities, projects, and more. For instance, here I can see that this message pertains to a purchase order, whereas this message pertains to a project. To filter, I can just choose Projects and click Search, and this will narrow down my results to find only messages that pertain to projects. If you would like to know what different colors of messages mean, you can click the colorful grid that appears over here, and this will show you all your messaging types and what color is associated with each. If you would like to include archived messages, you can toggle on the Include Archived Messages and click Search, and this will show any archived messages that pertain to you. The other icons in the Notification Center are Buzz. Buzz is a company-wide messaging system. By posting on Buzz, everybody in your company who is receiving notifications for Buzz will receive emails letting them know that a new Buzz post is available for them to view. To create new Buzz posts, I can just click the Create New Post, and here I can create from a template. I can make this post sticky, which means it's going to stick to the top of the page and not cycle through recently made Buzz posts. I can also allow this post to be shared publicly, which means that people can share this on social media outlets such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and more. And you can also override user preferences and notify all users of the system. However, this needs a specific permission to be available to users of Striven. With this on, you can override whether people are not receiving notifications for Buzz and notify everybody within your company for very important information. The next option underneath the Notification Center is called System. Here I can see all system notifications within Striven. Here you'll see things like when a release is scheduled, and when Striven has a new update, you can click Read More to read about all the updates that have happened in the previous release. Here you'll be able to see videos, read about content, and view screenshots to see more helpful information for you to utilize these helpful new updates. And that is a look at the Notification Center within Striven.